It is through this new world that there will be hope and fire. This fire will build within the souls of man and be an acknowledgement of the confidence that was kept upon the Trail of Tears in accordance with an agreement. This agreement now has ended, and the white man knows this. So these are the talks. This is why these messages are being sent through people, through you. You only need but listen and hear through the hearts of man, all men. And injustice will become justice soon.